What's up guys? So today I'm going to be making a video about rhino lining the inside tub of this Jeep. I have a 98 Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to be taking out all the seats, all the carpet. By the way, this carpet is disgusting. So I'm taking all that out. I am then going to be putting in, then I'm going to be using rhino lining to kind of spray the inside and hopefully add a little bit of sound deadening. I'm not like banking on that part, but I do think it'll help a little bit. This carpet is just gnarly, and I want to see, I've just always thought it would be cool. A full carpet kit for this Jeep really isn't that expensive, so if I just wanted to replace it, it's like 150, 200 bucks. So it's really not that expensive just to replace it, but I thought this would be kind of a fun project. Rhino lining and like bed liner stuff has always intrigued me. Me and my buddy went and rhino lined his fenders. They turned out freaking awesome. And it only took like one jug. Actually, not even like a full jug. And so I got 3 more jugs of it. I'm gonna spray it on super thick, but I got tons of prep work to do before I get to there. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, kind of show you guys the products that I'm using, and kind of give you my overall thoughts on it. So here's a baseline of how loud it is. I'm going 74 miles an hour, and it's fairly loud. Honestly, a lot of the sound is just coming from the top and how unaerodynamic this Jeep is, but we'll see if it gets any quieter. So I'm gonna update you real quick. So I went and got all this sanding stuff, some tape and everything that I would need to spray this Raptor liner. The Raptor liner I've already used on my buddy's fenders on his Jeep, but I decided I was gonna do it on the inside tub. After we sprayed his fenders, I left all the stuff at his place, and somehow I lost the gun. So anyway, I was running around town trying to find a gun that would work for the Raptor liner. I couldn't find one right off the bat, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit. So I started pulling all the carpets, which was actually stupid simple. This one's an aftermarket kit, and it was kind of done shitty. But really all I had to do was pull this one bolt that was holding the seat belt buckles down, and then I could pull out that whole center console. I ripped out the entire front driver's side without even having to move the seat. It was just done with a little bit of glue, so I just ripped on it a little bit and it popped right off. So really I am actually kind of just debating if I should just pull the carpet and put a new carpet kit in, because the carpet kit, because a whole carpet kit is like, I think it's only like 200 bucks. So, and I think that's for a decent one. So I think that's actually what I'm going to be doing. So I'm just going to rip out all the carpet now, and then I can just put it in whenever. So as you can see, it's actually super clean once you just get all the dust off of it, basically. These are like gold. So I'm just taking the edge, just shitty glued. Alright, so this side I actually might need to pull out the part of the center console, and I need to just throw a bunch of shit away. Got all that disgusting carpet out of there. Like, look at how gross that is. I mean, part of it is that I haven't vacuumed it out in a long time, but that is just years and years and years of disgustingness. Like the bottom of that, look at how gnarly that is. Got it all out. Looks a lot cleaner, and just need to vacuum it out and spray it down. I also found this bundle of wires. Bundle of wires traces back here, and it looks like someone had a well, it's a mess of wires, but it looks like someone had like a sub box and stuff back here, maybe some other speakers, but they did a shitty job. I think this is all pretty cobbled together. Just need to pull that bolt and rip that shit out of here. I'm gonna get it cleaned up as best as I can, and then I'm gonna go ahead and order the kit. Alright, so this is all shit that was underneath the carpet inside there. That's a lot of shit. So these cords were all just snipped almost at both ends, except for the hot power cord. That was actually live from the battery with an unbroken fuse. So thank goodness it didn't burn the whole Jeep down. Yeah, and then there's like this cord, which I have no idea what it does. It has a little LED bulb on the end. What's up, guys? So it's been a couple weeks since I made that last video about ripping out the old carpet. I'm currently sitting in a Jeep that has carpet installed again. It's kind of amazing how much quieter it is. I was driving for probably honestly about a month without carpet, and it is really nice to have carpet again. It's just a lot quieter. I mean, there's that sound deadening material that's in there, and then there's just all the, you know, stuff that doesn't end up rattling around because it's sitting on carpet. It's just a lot nicer to have carpet again. And I didn't really realize that. I just ended up buying my kit offline. I'll go ahead and link down below where I found it. But it was fairly high quality stuff. I mean, I think I bought mine for $160 shipped. So that came with all the carpet that I needed, which is the full front section and underneath where the center console is, the two wheel well parts, I guess. And one of the reasons that I chose this kit was that it also came with the trunk. There's a piece of carpet that sits on the trunk. Yeah, so this kit came with all those parts, the glue, and I guess there was instructions. I didn't read them. I didn't even see them. It's super straightforward. The only thing you just got to be ready for is to do some cutting. They're not perfect, but you got to do some cutting and rolling and just kind of making it fit better. It's not a super expensive carpet kit, so you can't expect perfection, but it was, you know, for the money, I think it was great value. So I'll go ahead and link that down below so you guys can go ahead and get it as well. I'll also go ahead and show you kind of the fitment on everything and just go in a little bit more detail there. So I know it's a little dirty already, but here it is. Here's the carpeting. Actually turned out really well on this, which I think that helped quite a bit with the sound. And then we have all this area. Pull the seats forward. All that, as you can tell, I was hauling around some tires, but the carpet on the whole thing just turned out really good. It seems like a really high quality material. I don't know, it just fit around everything really well, and it just made the whole Jeep look a lot newer. I know I got it dirty already, but the carpet just turned out really good. I need to just do a quick vacuum and it'll start to show well again, but like just the fitment on everything was really nice. It's not perfect because it's a $160 carpet kit, but I think the value is definitely there. I think it would be really hard to find a better value for a full carpet kit. I think it turned out great. I'm super happy with the product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.